Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to read the chapter The Desert from the book Alien Hand. It's chapter number 3. So, let's begin with the chapter. A desert is generally without water and vegetation. Desert. What is a desert? Actually, desert in Hindi it is called Registan. It has sand. Basically, in what comes in our mind, desert means Registan. और रेगिस्तान दिमाग में आते ही मीन्स a place that is covered with sand. But let's see, there are different kinds of deserts, so it's not only covered with sand. Without water and vegetation. Deserts are generally without water and vegetation. A green patch with fresh water and green trees in the middle of a vast desert is a beautiful sign. See, in the middle of the desert, if you find a green trees and fresh water, then it's a very beautiful sign, because normally we don't see water and greenery in the desert. A desert may be too hot or too cold. See, there are two kinds of desert. It may be either too hot or too cold. Okay, so desert are not only hot, they can be cold also. Those of us who live in regions covered with forest and surrounded by hills may find it difficult to imagine what a desert is really. See, people living in a region that is covered with forest, no, basically having lots and lots of trees around hills, and the temperature is also very low, means not so high it's not hot. So we don't know actually what a desert is really like. We cannot imagine, because they're living in a very beautiful environment, very beautiful temperature. So this we cannot imagine what a desert is actually. The people believe is that it is an endless stretch of sand. Endless means that never ends. Far your eyes go, you will see only sand. Well, no rain falls and therefore no vegetation grows. There is no rainfall in desert. Very less or no rainfall. And because there is no rainfall, so there is no vegetation also. It is dry, hot. It is very dry, very hot, waterless, no water, and without shelter, and no shelter also. You will not find any shelter in the middle of the desert, or you will find a tree that okay, we can rest under the tree, we are having shade. No, nothing like that. But this is not entirely correct. We have assumptions of desert like this, no, but this is not entirely correct. For those who have studied it, the desert can be a beautiful place. Desert, for ones who have already studied about desert, they'll know that desert is actually a very beautiful place. It is the home of a variety of people. Variety of people live in desert. Animals and plants that have learned to live under very hot and dry conditions. There are animals and there are plants that have adapted themselves in living in such a hot and dry condition. So they are now habitual of living in that temperature and in that condition. True, the ground is not always hidden by a cover of grass. See, the ground of desert is not always covered with grass, plants and trees as it is in other climates. In other climates, the land is covered with grass, plants and trees. But this doesn't happen in desert. But whenever it rains, which is rare, rare means kabhi kabhi. But जब भी rain होती है, desert flowers bloom and the sight can be as rewarding as that of any tropical garden. See, whenever it rains, it rarely rains, but when it rains, in desert, the sight, where you look at the desert, the flowers that bloom in the desert, it looks wonderful, it looks very beautiful, it looks like a garden, tropical garden, where there are lots and lots of plants and flowers, it looks like that. A desert is not always a flat, unchanging wasteland of dry sand. It is not always a flat, unchanging wasteland of dry sand. Desert is not always a flat, unchanging wasteland of dry sand. Dry sand means मिट्टी जो desert में होती है. It may have mountains and hills. Desert may have mountains and hills also. It may have an oasis, big or small. Oasis means a small water. There is a water stored in a small place. Okay, that's called oasis. Maybe it may be big or it may be small. An oasis is like a green island in middle of a desert. Green island means you have seen an island in middle of the ocean. समुद्र के बीचों बीच एक आइलैंड होता है ना, इट्स लाइक दैट. टापू आइलैंड इज एक्चुअली कॉल्ड इन हिंदी. So the oasis looks same exactly like that in middle of the desert. It's very rare to find, but when you find, no, it's very beautiful. Where a spring or a well gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. Where no that oasis, no, it gives chance for plants and trees to grow better. Whatever plants and trees are there, no, in the desert, it gives them a better chance to grow. Plants require water also, no. A desert may be hot like the Thar or cold like Ladakh. See, desert can either be hot like Thar desert in Rajasthan, very hot it can be, or it can be cold like Ladakh. Ladakh is also a desert, but it's a desert, cold desert. Okay, there is a cold desert and there is hot desert. But generally speaking, if a place has little or no water and vegetation, people usually call it a desert. So generally speaking, if a place that has little, very little, and or no water and vegetation, so people usually call it a desert. Okay. Some deserts are almost totally without water. Some deserts, they don't have water at all. They are without water. In such places, strong winds blow, raising heaps of sand and depositing them as mounds. In these places, no, where there is no water, strong wind blows, very strong wind blows, and it carries sand with it. Okay, heaps of sand, and it deposited them as mounds. Mounds means जैसे छोटे-छोटे पहाड़ की तरह it starts depositing it. Okay. These are called sand dunes. These mounds, no, they are called as sand dunes that shift and move endlessly across the desert. That keeps moving because of the wind, no, it keeps moving from one place to the another place. Few plants can survive on such dry, shifting sands. Only few plants can survive on such a dry and shifting sand. Shifting sand means it keeps shifting with the wind. Where the wind goes, the sand starts shifting at that particular place. So only few plants can grow at such places. All living things need water in order to survive. Every living thing requires water to survive. So we cannot survive without water. Water is a must, and we should save also water instead of wasting. We human beings have a very bad habit of wasting water. So we should have a good habit of not wasting water. The few plants and animals that live in deserts have developed the ability to require less water than most plants and animals. See, the few plants and animals that live in desert, no, they have already developed such kind of habit in them that they require only very less water. Other than the plants, no, we have plants, so we give water to our plants every day, no. So the plants that are in desert, they require very less water. Okay. They have adopted themselves as that. The camel, popularly known as the sheep of the desert, the camel is known as the sheep of the desert, can drink a lot of water at one time. Camel can drink a lot of water at one particular time. Camel can do without water for days together. It can do without water for days. Many days it can do without water. It can go without water for many days. The reason is they sweat very little. They sweat very little. बहुत कम पसीना आता है camel को. We sweat because we must keep our body temperature constant. We sweat because we keep our body temperature. We have to keep our body temperature constant. So we sweat. We sweat when it gets hot, and then this cools the body temperature. When it's hot, no, outside, so we sweat, so the body temperature gets cooled down. Camels can stand high body temperature. Camel can stand high body, it can survive with high body temperature. They don't need to sweat and can therefore retain the water they drink for long period of time. So they don't need to sweat, and they can retain the water that they have drank, no, they save it inside their body and for a very long period of time.